Top 7 French Foods. French cuisine is renowned for its exquisite flavors, techniques, and attention to detail. Here are 7 top French foods that showcase the richness of French culinary tradition. 1. Croissant. This buttery, flaky pastry is a quintessential French breakfast item. It's enjoyed with jam, chocolate, or simply on its own, accompanied by a cup of coffee. 2. Coco Vin, a classic French dish. Coco Vin features chicken braised in red wine with mushrooms, onions, and bacon. The slow cooking process results in tender and flavorful meat. 3. Ascargate, a delicacy in French cuisine. Escargot refers to cooked land snails. They are typically prepared with garlic, parsley, and butter, often served in their shells. 4. Boeuf Bourguignon. This hearty beef stew is cooked with red wine, mushrooms, onions, and aromatic herbs. The meat becomes tender and flavorful after a slow simmering process. 5. Quiche Lorraine, a savory tart made with a flaky crust filled with a mixture of eggs, cream, bacon, and cheese. Quiche Lorraine can be enjoyed warm or at room temperature. 6. Creme Brulee, a luscious dessert. Creme Brulee consists of a rich custard topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. The contrast between the smooth custard and the crunchy sugar is delightful. 7. Baguette, a staple of French cuisine. The baguette is a long, thin loaf of bread with a crisp crust and soft interior. It's enjoyed with a variety of toppings or used to make sandwiches. These are just a few examples of the many exquisite dishes. In French cuisine, French cooking emphasizes high-quality ingredients, meticulous preparation, and a deep respect for culinary traditions.